Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Language Pair. I hope I'm trying to make you teach French in fun and easy way. So today I will be teaching you the verb être, which is the first verb of the language. It's not like the first verb, but basically we generally start from the verb être. Okay. Now, so before that, let's learn les pronoms sujets, the subject pronouns. The way you have in English, I, you, we, he, she, they. Same way in French also you have les pronoms sujets. So I believe that you all can see my screen. Now let me explain you everything in detail so that everything is absolutely clear step by step. Now let's understand the subject pronouns, which is known as les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. Now, je stands for I. Tu, tu. That's you. Il. He, elle. She, nous, we, vous, you as formal and you as you all. Okay. Il, that is masculine plural, but you add an S, but S is not pronounced. Okay. Now, same way, elle, that stands for they, which is feminine plural, and S is not pronounced. So it's elle. So les pronoms sujets. Je, tu, il, elle. We can also add one more here, which is on, which basically means we or like one. We or like one. Okay. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Pluriel. So je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Now let's understand the first verb of the language, which is verb être. Être means to be. Now, if you want to say, I am Isha, I am Indian, okay? He is Italian, he is tall, we are big, something like that. So now how do we construct them in the form of sentences? So first, let's understand that how do we have to do verb être in French? Then we can understand that in the form of sentences. So verb être is basically an irregular verb, which means that the verbs do not have the similar way or similar pattern of conjugations. Okay. So if you'll be learning French further, you will automatically understand what the conjugations means. Okay. Now, just let us learn verb être. Now, verb être basically means to be. Je suis. Je suis. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Tu es. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Now, whenever there is S and following an E, you give the sound of Z. Z. Okay? So it's vous êtes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. So, je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Now, this is the first verb. Okay. Now, the pronunciations are very, very important. So, this pronunciation is A. Tu es, il est, elle est. Ils sont, elles sont. Now, je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. That's for informel. that is informal, something, if you are talking to someone whom you already know or your friend, family, is known as informal in French, right? Il est, he is, elle est, she is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, the sound of Z. It comes for formel. You are, you all are. So it can be in the form of singular also, and it can be in the form of plural also. Ils sont, elles sont. Now, let's understand them in the form of sentences. Now, if you want to say, I am Indian, so, je suis indien. You link it and create a sound of Z. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. And now, same way, for example, if a girl, so this is a masculine way of saying that I am Indian. So now, for example, if it's a girl, so she will say, Je suis indienne. Je suis indienne. Je suis indienne. That means I am Indian. Tu es grand. Tu es grand. You are tall. Tu es grand. Now, if a girl wants to say that you are tall, if a girl is, wants to say to a girl, so that basically you say grande. Tu es grande. Tu es grande. So, je suis indien. Je suis indienne. Tu es grand. Tu es grande. Now, if you want to say he is small, il est petit. Il est petit. Il est petit. She is small. Elle est petite. Elle est petite. Elle est petite. We are small. Nous sommes petits. Nous sommes petits. Nous sommes petites. So if a group of boy, and you want to say small in the plural form, so you say nous sommes petits. Now, same way, if there are girls, okay, group of girls, so you say nous sommes petites. Nous sommes petites. And S is not pronounced. Now, if you want to say you are tall, same way, masculine and feminine. Vous êtes grand. Vous êtes grand. S has to be there. Vous êtes grand. Vous êtes grande. Vous êtes grande. Vous êtes grand. Vous êtes grande. If you want to say they are tall, ils sont grands. Ils sont grands. You just simply add an S, and S is never pronounced whenever it is coming at the end of the word, okay? Elles sont grandes. Elles sont grandes. So, je suis indien. Je suis indienne. Tu es grand. Tu es grande. Il est petit. Elle est petite. Nous sommes petits. Nous sommes petites. Vous êtes grand. Vous êtes grande. Ils sont grands. Elles sont grandes. So this is how I wanted to explain you verb être, and I tried to frame some sentences also. So I'll just quickly read the verb être once again so that you are able to understand it properly. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. I'm sure that you all understood this lesson and you were able to understand verb être and were able to understand what is les pronoms sujets and few basic sentences in French. If you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel. I'll keep posting such content. Merci beaucoup. Enchanté.